Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the background so you never lose pixels. Use the Quick Selection or Object Selection tool to capture the subject. It's fast and precise for clear edges. Once selected, enter Select and Mask to refine hair, fur, or translucency. Increase radius slightly and apply 1/3px feather so transitions look natural. This sets a clean mask. Without it, blending will reveal hard cut lines, so make sure the mask looks soft but accurate before moving on. Once your mask isolates the area, either delete or hide the unwanted object layer, then select the surrounding area for content-aware fill. Choose sampling area options to limit source pixels, because Photoshop can sample wrong textures if unchecked. Run the fill and inspect seams. Often you'll need to touch up with the patch tool or clone stamp to fix repeated patterns or perspective issues. Make small, varied strokes. This prevents obvious repeats and keeps texture continuity across the image. You finish by zooming to 100% and healing any micro seams with the healing brush so color and texture match perfectly. If tones shifted, add clipped adjustment layers like curves or hue/saturation to only affect patched areas. This preserves global color balance. Once satisfied, keep a PSD copy with layers for future edits, then export a flattened JPEG or PNG for delivery. Troubleshooting tip: if edges look haloed, reduce feathering or use a 1px mask stroke and paint transitions manually. That fixes fringing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.